All right, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is CAC speaking. So let's look at the difference between CAC and SCUML. So do you need the two certificates? Do you need the two documents? Why is SCUML important? Why is CAC registration important? Do you just need to go for CAC registration and you're good, or you just stick with SCUML registration and then you're good? So we'll be answering those few questions right now. So the main thing you should know is that SCUML registration has to do with DNFBP, right? The designated non-financial businesses, like the business that are into precious stones, real estate company, business that are into consultancy, business that are into that law firms, accountancy firms, advisory, financial advisories, and different other companies that I've listed in my previous videos, and NPOs, non-profit organizations, associations, church, mosques, religious bodies, and all. They require SCUML registration. So why CAC registration gives your business a legal structure and allows you to be able, legal structure now, it allows you to be able to, incorporate your business and make it to be, functional, right? You can open an account with your CAC registration, but once you open you are done with your registration with CAC and you want to carry out opening of account, there are some businesses that will not be allowed to go ahead with the opening of account, but you will need to provide your SCUML registration. So your SCUML registration, don't forget, I told you, it's about you trying to protect your business, or the SCUML concept basically is to protect against money laundering and also the terrorism financing, right? To counter these two major issues. That's why SCUML was initiated, and it helps to monitor money. So let's look at the purpose first. So for purpose, CAC gives your business a legal structure and incorporates your business, while SCUMLs allow you to have anti-money laundering compliance, right? While for your regulatory bodies, the CAC's registration is handled by the Corporate Affairs Commission, while SCUML is handled by the EFCC. And for how mandatory they are, right? So the CAC registration is mandatory for all companies and all incorporations, while the SCUML registration is specifically for DNFBPs only, like real estate companies and the rest. So the primary function for your CAC registration is that it issues certificates and also helps you to incorporate your body, right? While your SCUML issues SCUML certificates, monitor transaction, AML oversight, right? Anti-money laundering oversight. Plus, the focus is also to carry out legal, administrative, that's for CAC, legal and administrative functions, while the SCUML is to carry out compliance, risk, and regulation enforcement. So while CAC consequences of non-compliance is that your business would not be legally recognized, and while for SCUML, to attract fines, you will not get fines if you don't do CAC registration. Nobody will fine you if you don't want to register about your business. You not just be incorporated, you don't need to open a bank account. But for SCUML, you get fines, you get penalties, you can have criminal liabilities, you can be restricted from financial operations. A lot of things can happen to you if you don't get SCUML, especially if you are part of the DNFBP. So why business need both of these? Business needs both of these because you want to be compliant, because you don't want any criminal liabilities, you don't want penalties, and you don't want fines from anybody. So you need to get both of them, right? So let's say you are really interested in SCUML registration, you want to get your business incorporated with SCUML. What should you do? So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you go online, search for the document that you need, get all your documents, CAC documents together, submit the documents, and go online and search for SCUML registration online. Once you go there, you want to make sure that you fill in the details that will be requested from you, upload your documents, and then wait for some few days. The SCUML registration certificate will be issued to you. Take note that if you want to get a professional advice on how you can carry out SCUML registration, now what we have done is that we have created a course that guides you through document preparation, because there's a way the documents have to be, there's a size the documents have to be, there is how the documents have to be arranged properly to be able to get the certificate approved. There are issues you might be facing right now for SCUML registration, but we have created this course to guide you through everything from the start till the end of how you can carry out SCUML registration. So I'll be leaving a link in the description. If you're interested, just take the course, right? And then you'll be able to walk through how to get SCUML registration done. That's the first thing. Then if you really want our guide, or maybe you just want us to help you carry out SCUML registration, just send a DM and then we'll reach out to you, and then we'll also tell you what the cost we will be carrying out registration for, which is just our service charge, and then we can go ahead and get the SCUML registration done for you, right? How this video has actually helped you. If it has, please do well to give us a thumbs up so that this video will be recommended to as many people as possible. Also do well to subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified whenever we make videos like this. My name is Akinbola Isike, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you.